30-day wealth challenge that can change your life. What if I told you that in the next 30 days, you can completely change your financial future? This is the monthly wealth challenge. One small action every day to build real wealth. Day 1, write down every expense you make. Day 3, cut one useless expense. Day 5, start saving just a small amount. Day 10, avoid eating outside for one full week. Day 15, learn one thing about money or investing. Day 20, start thinking about a side income. Day 25, save again, even if it's a small amount. Day 30, look at how much you saved. Most people don't become poor because they earn less. They become poor because they don't control their habits. Wealth is not built in one day. It's built through small actions repeated daily. Start this challenge today. Comment "I'm starting" if you're ready to change your life.